its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel.
You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 7. Category 8. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, all this will be required to present photo ID at check-in.
The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The location of the property is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surrounding facilities of rooms are available online. You can take them online and enjoy your stay. Several dates and offers are available online for this hotel along with various meal plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Booking or packages totally in description. If you are facing any kind of problem in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel,